Okay, we're going to do part 2 of the starter budget. So we start our budget, we got startup budget, we got our business here. We typed in all our monthly costs at the top. So there's our one-time monthly the cost of how much it costs to run our business every month. On the bottom, we have the cost to open a business the first time, our one-time cost. So here I added, this is the subtotal of all of our monthly cost. In the bottom, this is the subtotal for our one-time cost, and this is the total cost. This number plus this number together. This is the next step. This part right here is going to tell us how much money we need to borrow. So type these words in real quick. You can put the video on pause. We need to find out how much money it's going to cost for 6 months, for the first 6 months of our business. We're not going to have enough money to pay our bills. We're going to have to borrow that money from the bank. We also need to factor in how much money is going to cost, our one-time cost. And those two numbers together are going to tell us how much money we need total to open. And nobody wants to give a business all the money to open. So we have to figure out how much money we're going to take out of our pocket. So our owner contribution, and then how much money we can raise from Kickstarter, crowdfunding. And that'll tell us our total, how much we need to borrow for the bank. First, the 6 months operational funds. Unit equals, start the formula, 6 times, and I need to get to the subtotal here, 6 times our monthly cost. Hit enter. So I do $336,000 to operate the business for the first 6 months. I also need to buy all this stuff. I click on my one-time costs. Now I need to find out how much this number and this number add up to be. So equal this number plus this number and equals. Okay. How much money is it going to cost me? Now, there's 3 partners in the 24-hour fitness. So to figure that out, I need to do this. I want contributions. We're just going to write $45,000. I'm going to say every partner contributes $15,000. Now crowdfunding. For Kickstarter, we're hoping we'll raise $20,000. Do $20,000 Kickstarter. We'll say Kickstarter campaign. And then we see how much money is left that we need to borrow from the bank. We start with this number minus the money I'm already spending minus our Kickstarter campaign. And this is how much money is left over. Done.